Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to program nuMROBO as a Bluetooth controlled robot. First of all, this is a basic block diagram using which you can learn the basic hardware connections of our nuMROBO as a Bluetooth controlled robot. In case you need more detailed information on hardware assembly, please don't forget to watch our hardware assembly tutorial video. Now, let's move on to algorithm or flow diagram using which you will learn the basic working principle of our Bluetooth controlled robot. Now let's move to our computer screen. Instead of writing a new code line by line from scratch, I will explain you the built-in example code for Bluetooth controlled robot, and we will upload that code into our robot's Arduino-compatible UNO board. First of all, open your Arduino IDE and open the example code by going to File, Examples, nuMROBO and then Bluetooth controlled robot. This example code will open in a new window. Close the previous window and maximize the example codes window. This code is very much self-explanatory and contains comments to make you understand the code line by line. We are not discussing this code line by line in this video, but nuMectro technology keeps on organizing various online workshops from time to time in which we teach these codes in depth. Please don't forget to apply for these workshops on nuMectro Technology's website so that we can keep on sending you the invitation for these workshops. Compile the code by clicking on the verify button, and once the compiling is done, then we can upload this code into our Arduino compatible UNO board. To do this, simply click on the upload button. We have successfully uploaded the code into our nuMROBO's Arduino compatible UNO board, and now it is ready to be used as a Bluetooth controlled robot. Now let's move to your Android phone in order to download and install an app using which you can control your Bluetooth controlled robot. Open the Play Store and search for an app named Arduino Bluetooth RC Car. Arduino Bluetooth RC Car is an app developed by Andy.co. Download and install this app into your Android phone. Currently, this app only supports an Android phone. Now, before using the app, we need to pair our nuMROBO's Bluetooth module with our Android phone. To do this, we need to open the Bluetooth settings in our phone and then click on Pair New Device. Scan for a device named nuMROBO and pair with that nuMROBO named device. The password for pairing with nuMROBO is 1234. Now once the device is paired with our phone, now we can use the app in order to control our Bluetooth controlled robot. Open the app and it will run in landscape mode. Blinking red light means that your app is not connected with the nuMROBO. Click on the settings icon and then click on Connect to Car option. Now select nuMROBO from the paired device list in order to connect your app with the nuMROBO. Once your app is successfully connected, the blinking red light will turn into a solid green light. Now you are ready to use this app in order to control your Bluetooth controlled robot. With this, our programming nuMROBO as a Bluetooth controlled robot video is completed. Please don't forget to watch our other tutorial videos. Thank you.